Hello everybody, this is the week 3 review, where we go over what's expected of you during week 3. So let's go ahead and get started with that. This week you're to read chapters 12, 13, and 14. Chapter 12 is on lifestyle management, 13 is on professionalism, and chapter 14 is on lifelong learning. And we covered all these in the Kaiser Live session last night on Monday. So please take time to review that recorded version if you did not attend the live version. This week's discussion, excuse me, describe how diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventive measures contribute to your healthy living. Feel free to list examples of a healthy living in your own life. So what they want you to do is, in your reading under healthy lifestyles, there are several examples. So you find the paragraph that's listed as diet, the other paragraph is physical activity, the third one is sleep, and the fourth one is preventative measures. So if you look at those sections, there are several examples that are provided by the authors. Provide at least 3 examples of diet, tell me how you incorporate diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures into your life through the discussion question, not me, but the class. Response 2, you want to read and review professionalism in chapter 13. In your own words, what does professionalism mean to you? In addition to that, this is where the 3 examples come in. List 3 examples of professional behaviors, professional healthcare skills, and professional appearance. So what you'll do here is you'll find these paragraphs titled Professional Behaviors, Professional Healthcare Skills, and Professional Appearance. Provide 3 examples that are listed by the authors. Tell me in your own words what they mean to you and how to incorporate those into your professional life. And then, of course, you'll have your responses to your fellow students and any responses that I make to your posts to get you back on the right track if you are off track. Again, make sure that you're utilizing in-text citations. At minimum, you should be citing your textbook because you are taking information from that source, and it gives you practice on citing and referencing your work. Okay, next you have the week 3 OSHA assignment. This is the assignment that I told you about last week, that you can take this assignment as many times as you like. It has to do with the Office of Safety Health Administration and how they oversee the safety of the worker, the environment, as well as the patient. Take this assignment as many times as you like until you have a score that you're satisfied with. However, the score has to be above 70% for you to pass the class. There are 30 questions with this assignment. Then you also have your week 3 quiz, and for some reason people are still not taking the quiz. I'm not sure what the aversion is, but you are required to take the quiz. I will not be offering any extensions this week, so if it's not in by Sunday and you submitted it after Sunday, you will receive 5 points per day off the final score for submitting it late. And that's it for week 3. You should also be looking at your week 4 writing assignment, because that will be due next week on Sunday, and I don't want you waiting till last minute. You do not have to submit this writing assignment to the OWL, but you will have a writing assignment due next week. And basically what you're doing is review the Thinking It Through green box, which can be found in your text on page 520. Reflect on the scenario and identify your feelings regarding its content. It must be 250 words. The questions are listed on page 520 after the Thinking It Through scenario. And make sure that you are using APA format for a formal paper. I'll need a separate title page. I do not need an abstract. I need citations within the body of your paper, and I need a separate reference page. if you have any questions on this, please give me a call or email me so that we can get that straightened out. And you should have it in a Word document, Times New Roman, 12 pitch, double spaced. Alright, so that's the weekly review. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me via email or give me a call, and we can either discuss it over the phone or we can set up a one-on-one Kaiser Live or discuss it through email, whichever works for you. Alright, have a great week.